Hey everyone, Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. We are midway through our Australian tour. We got dragged all the way back to Melbourne by presidential decree. They have arrived.
Dun, 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 dun.
So we're back here just to do this unboxing, and then we're scooting out again as quick as we can. So we know there's been a lot of impatience for these, so we've just swung in from the airport, swing back past the office.
It's going to be a speedy unboxing, just for the not just for the fact that we've got to shoot back off to the tour, but also the fact that these are probably going to go
In milliseconds.
in milliseconds before the video's done. So
Yeah.
why bother with a long unboxing when they're going to be sold by the time it finishes?
You been enjoying the tour, mate?
It's been great. It's
We've had a lot of fun, hasn't it?
yeah. No, to kind of check into multiple places. I've said this, I think, a couple of times on stream, but it fascinates me that we've basically said, hey, we're rocking up to a town near you, and yeah, we get to kind of stroll in and have a chat with
Look at that.
Hey.
So that is the 5-ounce Donald Trump. A beautiful coin. Whether you like him or not, it's a great coin. Beautiful mirrored background there. The finish is great.
And or round.
Round, yes, not a coin. My apologies. And the American Eagle on the back. So, fantastic coin. Unfortunately, they don't come encapsulated, and I don't have a capsule big enough for them. So, you will get them in a Ziploc bag to protect them, but they are unencapsulated. They come raw. So, that's the 5-ounce. Now, we don't have a heck of a lot of those, so if the 5-ounce is in your budget, grab them now, because we're not going to have them for very long. I think we only brought in about 180 all up.
I'm going to shoot myself in the foot a little by saying it, but I'd definitely say probably the pick of the bunch as well, because you kind of get that design blown out a little bit. You can kind of make out all the details.
But the one we haven't seen before.
This is a new one.
So, should I open this one or should I open the 1-ounce first?
Nah, go for them, go for
Go
them.
for these ones. I don't know which end opens. We're about to find out, I suppose. There we go. So it's the same design actually on all three coins, but it just comes across on a smaller planchet. So it's still very impressive. And then again, the eagle on the back. We should line them up down here, shouldn't we?
I'll line them up in some B-roll later. In fact, I wonder if we leave the 1-ounce for now.
Leave the 1-ounce?
If I'll show a shot of them all lined up next to each other.
So the 1-ounce looks exactly the same as the others. It's obviously just a smaller coin, and we've got a few more of the 1-ounce than we do of the 2s and 5s. So still a very impressive one, and a lot of people gave them away to their family and friends.
Whether they liked it or not.
That's right. I'm sure some of them were for mischievous intent. And then to cap it all off, because we thought we'd have a very American unboxing, we've got a number of gold buffaloes come in.
Yeah, actually had a few people express interest on these on the tour, which was good. So it's good to have got them in.
So the Americans always confuse me because they
Flip things around.
yeah, you don't roll them to the left, you have to flip them up and over. So on the other side you've got the Native American Indian. And they're just a very, very, very cool coin. So, really quick unboxing. Like I said, it's a bit of a whistle stop for us on the way to Adelaide next. So if you haven't got your tickets for Adelaide, grab those. But if you're not grabbing those, grab these. And they'll be in stock when you've seen this. So that's it for now, unless Ruben wants to add anything to
That's it. We've got to go.
it. We do. And we'll see you next time very soon.
See ya.